Yeah, today we will take a look at the preparation and the parts I've got for my first gaming PC build. I know I short a CPU, a GPU and RAM, which will arrive very soon. I've ordered them. And as soon as they are here, I will update you on those parts. But without further ado, let's get started and start installing the SSD M.2 NVMe on the motherboard. Okay, this is the ASUS Prime A520MK motherboard, out of the box with the help and the magic of YouTube. The motherboard is placed on top of the box just to give it stability and to start installing my SSD. The NVMe M.2 SSD I'm going to use is the 500 gigabyte from Samsung. It's the Samsung, it's the 980. It's the one I'm going to use for this build. Very nicely packaged. Yeah, I bought this from EveTech for a very, very good price and speedy delivery. Thumbs up for you, EveTech. Okay, now let's go ahead and install this into the motherboard. Quickly look at the installation process. We've got this inside the motherboard box with the help of the installation of the SSD. It looks like a small standoff and a screw. Now first of all we prepare the motherboard for the installation of the M.2 NVMe SSD by putting the standoff inside the right place for the SSD to fit on. Okay, now we'll take the standoff and just take it and put it into that small hole and tighten it. You can afterwards use a small pair of pliers just to fix it into its position. We'll then take that small SSD NVMe M.2 and just put it into the gap it's got there, into the place where it needs to be. Like that. Clips in, and then we gently press it down to go and rest onto that standoff that we just inserted. Okay, like we did, we lower the SSD, put a small screw on top of the standoff, and then we take a small preferably magnetized, and we start fastening the screw to lock the NVMe M.2 into place. Like that, the SSD is installed. To all my YouTube friends, thanks for watching. I'll catch you again very soon on the next one. Bye.